So the Film Media Arts Pathway is basically a series of English classes along with editing classes that kind of take you down the path of learning different film techniques, different film styles, different kinds of films, and how to make these.
The people involved are a number of different English teachers from freshman to senior year, and then we also have a video production teacher, we have graphic communications and digital design.
Well, in addition to all of the technical and English-related material, the students really get a chance to utilize all of the 5 C's on an almost daily basis. They're constantly collaborating on creative group projects that require effective communication skills. Critical thinking is necessary to adjust each product to the proper audience or client, and the student's individual character really shines in projects like their social justice documentary films.
In my class, it's kind of like a general overview and kind of gives students a glimpse into mostly social issues. I mean, the class is called Changing Hearts and Minds, so it's really trying to teach them how to think and care about the world around them. For a lot of them, it's like the first time they've really even had any exposure to thinking like that.
In my class, we really learned the basics of filmmaking and really unpacking films the way that you would unpack literature.
I heard about this pathway when I was registering for classes my sophomore year of high school.
I've known since South. I took the video production classes over there, and I just had heard from other friends.
At South, the students get to explore these fields through introductory courses in video and TV production, as well as beginning digital animation courses.
Well, in this class, we usually do Photoshop, editing, and our crew, which is like a team that we've made, we do broadcasts for all over the school.
And we also make posters to put around the school, because every 2 years we make a movie with a select amount of students, and our teacher writes a script and we get to record and have fun.
I think it's basically get them interested in what we're doing. The thing they're going to learn most is working together in groups. We're going to get a camera in their hands, we're going to get them out there filming, working in groups, communicating with one another. So they're going to find out real quick if they're pulling their weight in their group or not.
In the future, I plan on being a video editor. This class helps me know how to edit a lot of videos, how to record using advanced cameras.
When I'm older, I wish to be a film director, and I think that the projects we do in here, we learn how to work in groups and stuff like that, and work on hands-on activities, and I think that can really help it.
So with this pathway, it has really pushed my passion for film. After being in these classes, I realized how much I love film.
I feel like this pathway is important because it gives students not only a chance to think about what they want to do, but it also gives them a chance to experience what film is.
It brings out the creativity in students, and it gives them a passion and a way to express themselves.
A pathway like this is important because today there's video everywhere.
They're highly engaging. For an English class, to have some of the discussions that we have and to read some of the material we read is it's really refreshing. Nowadays, I think it's really nice to get students excited about the world around them.
What I like best about this program is that I get to enjoy fun times with my friends and do assignments that I really like.
We're allowed to be really creative because basically our teacher, we could just pitch him ideas and he'll let us do it. And it's just, I'm really learning good at collaboration skills and everything.
A lot of them, it's particularly some of the students that they want to get engaged and get involved, and then I particularly have fun with the student-teacher film that we make.
Nothing like this was offered when I was in school, and so this is really cool that we're giving kids totally different, we're giving them access to things, to content material, lessons and stuff, we're giving them access to things that they would never have, that they've never had before, and still that a lot of schools don't offer.
I think my favorite part about being in these classes is this hands-on work that I do, all this collaboration and being able to communicate with others.
And I think students are producing work and learning things that they can transfer into a lot of different areas in their personal life and their future education.
My favorite part has been just really being surrounded by the film environment, because in these classes it really shows you what the film industry is and just what it takes to be in it.